is using firewood to cook. But due to deforestation and desertification, 500 million people are struggling to gather firewood to cook. In response to this problem, we have designed and patented a high-efficient solar cooking device, Solario Safe. The innovation of Solario Safe is the accuracy of the control system. It exceeds 1,000 degrees Celsius. The control system allows constant access to the cooking space and reaches 1,200 watts, making Solario Safe the first solar cooker to have the same performance as fire or wood without any CO2 emissions. The Solario Safe can cook all the dishes you want. It uses free, clean, inexhaustible energy, which is available throughout the year from morning to night. The Solario Safe saves valuable time for women as they walk up to 15 kilometers several times a week to collect wood. Thanks to its smokeless cooking, Solario Safe does not emit any harmful smoke, which causes millions of deaths annually. It allows to preserve the planet and protect against deforestation and desertification. Buying a Solario Safe will not increase the household budget, as it can be repaid by the time and money saved on wood. Faced with this overwhelming need, we want to provide an effective solution to the consequences of deforestation and desertification. We created an industrial project with modern manufacturing processes to achieve the most affordable cost. Our ultimate goal is to manufacture Solario Safe locally, create jobs and factories in developing countries.